Hello everyone, welcome to JobSkillsShare.com. Today I'm going to be starting a new course, Network Engineer Cisco My Learning Path. Notice I put My Learning Path because it is a brand new course for me too. So I was thinking if I'm going to start something, I will create a course, and while I'm learning, I'll also basically share what I'm learning, and then it will basically help me help other new members or other new students. Again, if you're coming from YouTube and any other place, this is a free site that I teach. Just a little history. I started from a help desk support specialist course, and the turnout was basically I started from this video right here on YouTube, help desk support specialist free training and guide part, and then I basically started a lot of videos, and it turned out to be really good to people. I don't know why, but it just worked with people, and then you guys can go ahead and check it out yourself. And from that, basically a lot of people start adding to this site, and now today we have altogether 4,403 learner followers and subscribers together. That's just by teaching the one course that I started, and then I created another one. So today I'm starting another one because now here's the thing. I will be definitely brand new to Cisco. I don't know anything about it, but by teaching these two courses, now I know how to kind of look for information and stuff like that, so it'll make it really fast for anyone to basically jump into this field. And I know I might say a lot of things that might not make sense to any Cisco engineers. Again, these are for learning, and if you think you can help us with your knowledge, and we're doing something wrong, we're spending more time on something, you're more than welcome and comment on things, and then basically lead us, or you can join this platform, which is free for trainers too, and then you can also try to teach us if there's something that we're missing here. So I would definitely appreciate any Cisco engineers or CCNA certified, or anyone that knows anything about Cisco. They can also jump into this course and start helping us out. Most of my courses are skill related courses, so they never end. Just unlike the short courses, basically the certification, yeah, they do end, but like this one, it will never end because it's gonna just keep on going and going. So for Cisco Network Engineer course, all you gotta do is click on the link, and once you click on the link, you will go to this course, and this is basically the introduction part of it. And the same video that I'm basically recording right now, I'm gonna put it right here because I'm going to be explaining everything. So after this, this is what I'm going to basically teach here, and I want to keep it very simple on the introduction page, because once we go to the learning path, it will get a little nasty. So right now you see this little diagram of some Ethernet switches, routers, computers, printers, and kind of like internet cloud in between. So when a lot of people talk about this stuff, and then they look at it and I'm like, okay, I don't understand this. What does it mean? This means on the bottom, if you check the other picture, which is a physical picture, it's kind of relate to the top one. Not everything, but just the office. So for example, you go to the office and you have a server room, or they call it whatever, network room. You go in there and you see all these big giant equipments, and you're like start scratching your head like, okay, what is that? Like I need to know this stuff. Now for people who work in a desktop site, which most of my students are from that area right now, I know you guys have this feeling like, okay, what is this? Like I really want to know about switching, routing, all this other technologies that they're having, and I want to advance my career. This is how you do it basically. So you are in the desktop support side, you know everything, how it works from that end. Now it's for you people, it will be really easy to jump in, for other than someone who doesn't know anything about networking, and they will be jumping into this stuff. So they can also get into Cisco networking without even knowing any desktop part of it, but it's for you guys. It's very I think it's a good move that you guys can do. And in this course, everything will be just from scratch, just like I have the other course that I have, and showing skill course and basically how it works on the real job. This is how it's going to be. This course is the same way. It's going to be like that. So after completing this course, you will know how to basically diagrams, like when you do a networking, you trying to like connect different networks together, IP addressing and all that kind of stuff. You will learn from diagrams and all that kind of stuff. So you will know that, okay, now I know what this means. And then on the bottom, when we do a real skill videos, like when I show on the job things, like how things were connected, servers are connected to routers and all that stuff, your internet connections and all that mess over there, you will then when you look at this picture, then you'll be like, okay, I know this stuff. So this is the whole idea of this course. This is not a CCNA course or not any certification type course. This is basically for people to learn exactly what networking is. I'm not a very I like exams and stuff like that, but I don't believe in just going there and memorizing things and then passing things, and then when you sit on the real world scenarios, like on an office, and then somebody gives you a switch, you can figure that, and then you're like, okay, I don't know this. So this is what we're going to do today. So when you go to this course, all you got to do is click on learning path here, and after learning path, what's going to happen, you'll see these. I can put more learning paths in there, but for now we are going to use only one Cisco learning path, entry to expert. So, and I cannot call myself an expert at all. I'm like just starting right now, so I know it's gonna take us some time. But imagine, let's say if we have 500 users right now, or members join to learn this course. Let me make it a little bit clear here. So let's say, imagine you have 500, we have 500 people that join in here, and then start learning Cisco stuff and all that. And if you guys are together and you created that contact between each other, like kind of networking between each other, and imagine out of that 500, only 15 people become network engineers, and you know them, you will never have any problems on your job. This is like, this will be your best job security, So I'd encourage people to talk to each other and become like very involved with networking stuff, because this is all IT. The more you know people in IT, the better you're gonna get. So how is it gonna work? Now the first thing you notice is 5-hour networking fundamentals, and this is very important, and that's something I'm not going to teach in this course, because this is basically a basic stuff of networking that you need to know, like what is network, like different topologies, addressing, and like routing, what is switch, what do they do, and stuff like that. That's more like lectures type thing that you need to learn, and this is coming from the vendor itself, like Cisco, whoever makes this stuff. You need to learn something about it. And Juniper Networks have this awesome course for free. It's very detailed, but at the same time it's very easy to understand. It's nothing like very complex stuff. It's just simple stuff that you need to know, and that's what you need to know. And most of the stuff that they cover here, that's all you need to know. And then we're gonna go to labs, but all you gotta do is click on this little play sign here, and that will start the video. I'm just going to do a little example here. Again, this is not my stuff, so if I get an email to remove this, it's still free, but if I get an email to remove this, I have to remove it and then find another resource for you guys. But for now, it's free on the net.
Fundamentals. This online program by Juniper Net.
So you basically go through all this stuff right here, and they have 5 hours all.
Now that we've learned about network models,
so everything is in here, and once you go through everything, then I would definitely prefer you guys to come to the labs here, which is still not I'm still going to be creating it. But just to give you an example, let's say for example this lab right here, configure switch ports. After you turn on your switch, we did all that, and then when you click on configure switch port, this is how it's going to work. You're going to see this right here. Now in this section it says configure switch ports, so everything related to ports and stuff will be here. Configuring ports will be here. Like if I want to create another thread, I can make it here, so I'm going to be doing that. So, and if you go to switch ports here, you will see a lab right here. So you will soon add an older server by step by step, and I'm going to basically polish it and make it a little better. And then all the way down you have commands and stuff like that to learn. So all the way bottom you will see a video of the same lab that I will be basically kind of showing. So you're gonna see something like this. I'll be on the real switch basically, and then go through it, and then basically start the real lab. And of course this is just a sample and kind of showing you guys how to do things, and once like the lab is over we'll have a full details of everything. So this is how it's going to be. This is how I don't know if it can get better than this. I'm going to be doing this, and then the bottom will go all the way down. We'll cover every single thing that that Cisco engineers do, and at the end we will do a lot of like full company type setup, like we have two companies, we want to connect it, do all that sort of stuff, like real world scenarios. And then I'm going to basically definitely take you guys to the office area and then show you guys in real how things are done. So again, this is for me it's a learning. I'm doing this to learn it myself, so definitely I'm going to basically putting a lot of videos in there. So that's it for the first introduction video, and hopefully I'll see a lot of people like here and that are joined into this course. So see you guys in the networking class 2. Bye bye, and thank you for watching.